Oh, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys part 2 of my last episode, which was how to make a calculator on Scratch part 1. This is part 2. So without further ado, let's get right on to it. First up, we need to, this is probably the last one that I have to do. We'll fix any bugs and glitches later in this video, but first let's focus on this equal sign. Right now it doesn't work, but other numbers do. Actually, can I please undo that? Somehow. Much better if I just refresh it. Because it's not saved yet. Okay, much better. Now, first up, let's see if this thing works. Wait. Yes, it doesn't work. Wait, forgot guys, one minute. First, before we focus on the equal sign, we need to focus on these numbers. We need to make sure it fills up these variables when we click on them. Otherwise, it won't be a complete calculator. Let me just duplicate them so it saves my time as well as yours. Right now I believe this is the fastest calculator I've ever made. I mean, this is the only calculator, but I'm pretty sure this is the fastest calculator on Scratch. It's basically a speed run, but except I'm explaining and doing it to you guys. I made another calculator exactly like this one way before. You guys can check out my profile, Techi09. I'll link it down below. Or you can also go to my channel banner, YouTube channel banner, and you guys will find the link there as well. So let me just fill this up real quick. 9, then 0 and 0. Then guys, what you have to do is focus on the equal sign. Let me see if it actually works. Right now this doesn't work, but this does, which is a great relief, because we don't have to focus on that right now, because now we're going to be focusing on the equal sign. So I need to go to events. When the sprite clicked, oh yeah, this is the way to do it. Oh yeah, 1 minute, we needed that if else actually. You can also put an if, but I prefer putting if else. Now I'll just show you guys with the if only. If equal to symbols equal to. I'll fix it later. For now, let me just focus on adding the addition calculator. Put in the plus sign there, and then you need to set, first of all you need to make a new variable, put it to result. You can name it whatever you want. You can also spam a bunch of letters. If you want, you can put it as result equal to 0 like that, or you could put it to large readout, but you can also put it to normal readout, which is like this. You start to position it here. Yeah, you can put it over here if it's like this, but it's your wish. You can customize it however you want, but I feel like putting it over here. In my actual calculator project, I put it down here, but right now I have this whole lot of thing to move. If you're a lazy guy like me, don't worry. You can just put it like that. Don't even bother about moving the whole calculator, you know? No, you don't need this thing. Set result to value 1 plus value 2. Now I'm gonna duplicate that. Okay, it's kind of laggy right now. This one, change this thing. Minus value 1 and value 2. Duplicate that. Put it to X. Is it X? Yes, it's X. It's showing X. So put it to into. Now you go on to this sprite, take costumes, this is really slow. Okay, finally it came in. Now I select this, actually take text, copy that, Control plus C, scroll down, take equal to sign, Control V, and then it's finally done, I guess. Let me see if it actually works. Let's try out something simple, like 1 plus 2. 1 plus 1 actually equals to 2. Okay, now 3 into 8 equal to 24. Good job, calculator. Now 11 into 10 equals to 110. Good job. Okay, it's working good. It's working real good. So I guess the calculator is done. You can also do some positioning over here. Make sure it's positioned properly, and then so yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe, turn on post notifications so that you guys never miss any upload on this channel. And without further ado, let's just peace out and see you guys in the next one. Bye.